Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Land Rover Defender dashboard. This is quite easy. It's one of the easiest dashes to remove. Most of the screws are completely visible, so you won't have to search for hidden screws or funny clips. The easiest way to explain it is to show you when the dash is out where all the screws are. All we need is Torx 20 and a Torx 30, so that's a 20 and that's a 30. Flat blade screwdriver, posi drive screwdriver, 22mm socket, a flat trim remover tool, and a puller. The puller is to remove the steering wheel. You'll not get the dash out without the steering wheel being removed, and also the indicator stalk assembly. So all the Torx 30 screws, there is 2 here, 3 at the top, 1, 2, 3. You have 2 here which hold this piece on, goes there. 2 more here on the instrument cluster, which are held behind another 2 which are here. So you have 2 here. Once you remove these 2, then these 2 will become visible. Once you've removed the instrument cluster, it's just one multi-plug, just a lever type, so you pull the lever up, the multi-plug will lift out, and then you just pull off. You will need to remove this grab handle, held on by another set of Torx 30s, one there, so that fits on the passenger side. That's just a passenger grab handle. You have this piece over the top of that, like so. The Torx 20 screws are 2 here, another 2 on the opposite side. You have 3 at the bottom, so it's 1, 2, 3. The same on the opposite side, 1, 2, 3. The posi drive screws, 4 that hold the speaker on. It's easier to remove the speaker, so you can unplug the speaker and remove it from the dash. The 2 speakers at the top, once the dash is free, if you pull the dash forwards, you can get your hand in and push it up. So once your hand's in, you can push the speaker up and the speaker will pop out, and then you can release the cable that's on a multi-plug there. And also you have another 4 posi drive screws which hold this together. So this surrounds the indicator and light stalks. So you have, like I said, you have the 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And also you have 2 here, which are these 2 screws that are there. That just separates in half, you can see, and you can remove it. It may be easy to remove it after you remove the steering wheel, or it is easier after you've removed the steering wheel. The steering wheel is just held on with a 22mm nut. When you remove the steering wheel, you can either use brute force and pull the steering wheel straight off, but leave the nut on if you do that, so you don't smack yourself in the face with the steering wheel. Once you've removed this piece, then you can get to this screw. It's just another posi drive screw. Release that, that will become loose and free. Disconnect all the plugs. There's only 3 plugs on. They're all the wires are colour coded, so they will just match up with the colour coded on the male ends, and that should just pull straight off once the steering wheel's been removed. Once you've removed the 2 screws here, you will need to release this from its housing. So that will go in like that. So you have on this, it's held in with these spring clips. So you have one here, one here, one here, and the same on the opposite side. One here, one here, one here. These little tabs here, which locate one there and one there. What you need to do is to get a flat blade or a trim tool inside here and pop these off. So one there, one there, and one there, one there, one there, and one there, and then the tabs at the bottom. And that will just pop straight off, and you can unplug all the plugs on the back, remove the stereo, and that will be free and out. So it's really that simple. The only tricky part is when all the screws are removed and the dash is free and you can wobble it. If you pull the dash forward, you'll see that this bit here is hooked underneath where the gear sticks are. You might have to just push it like this to release it. So it'll be a wiggle. You'll have to wiggle it about and release it. It may help if you have a second pair of hands. I do all this work completely by myself. It wasn't that hard to get out. So there you have it. One Land Rover Defender dashboard, completely removed. If you want to see what I'm going to do with this dashboard, please subscribe, like the video. I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching.